In this video, we can talk about top 5 Pic Wish alternatives and competitors. Welcome to Alternatives Code Channel, the ultimate hub for discovering the finest alternatives in the digital realm. Today, we have a treat for all you photography enthusiasts out there. We're about to uncover the top 5 alternatives of Pic Wish, which are Hotpot, Fotor, Topaz Photo AI, Skylum Luminar, and Lensa to better your editing experience. Get ready to ignite your creativity as we start the video on these alternatives.
Starting with the first alternative is Hotpot. Hotpot is a feature-rich photo editing application that combines powerful editing tools with an intuitive interface. It offers features like Photo Upscaler, Color Generator, and Picture Colorizer. Hotpot provides a variety of creative filters and effects, allowing you to add unique styles and moods to the images. One of the standout features of Hotpot is its intelligent auto-enhancement algorithm that analyzes photos and automatically applies appropriate enhancements to improve the overall quality of your photo.
Our second alternative is Fotor. Positioned as a versatile and user-friendly online photo editing tool, Fotor offers a comprehensive set of features for enhancing and transforming your images. It offers exclusive features like Cloud Album, Chrome Extension, PNG Maker, and Face Editor. With its intuitive interface and easy-to-use editing tools, Fotor caters to both beginners and experienced photographers alike. And one of its standout features lies in its HDR technology, which enables you to create stunning images with enhanced details and vibrant colors. Next up, we have Topaz Labs. Renowned for its advanced AI-driven technologies, Topaz Studio is a powerful photo editing software that offers a range of features for enhancing and manipulating your images. It offers exclusive features like image upscaling, stabilization, and motion interpolation. It also offers an intuitive masking system for precise adjustments and selective edits. One standout feature of Topaz Studio is its AI Clear feature, which intelligently analyzes and enhances image details while preserving overall image quality, resulting in more detailed photos. Fourth alternative on our list is Skylum Luminar. Skylum Luminar is a feature-rich photo editing software that combines a comprehensive editing toolkit with an intuitive interface. It offers key features like Image Editor, Background Remover, and Retouch Portraits. Designed to meet the needs of photographers of all skill levels, Luminar offers a wide range of editing tools, including basic adjustments, filters, and advanced features. And one of the standout features of Skylum Luminar is its AI sky replacement feature, with the help of which you can easily replace skies in your photos with more visually appealing ones.
Last but not the least, we have Lensa. Lensa is a mobile photo editing app that specializes in portrait enhancements and utilizes artificial intelligence to provide you with an array of tools for portrait photography. It comes with exclusive features like facial retouching, blur background, and photo enhancer. Lensa also provides various filters and presets tailored to enhance specific skin tones and lighting conditions, enabling you to achieve consistent and appealing results. And one of the standout features of Lensa is its realistic face reshaping ability, with the help of which you can subtly adjust facial features to achieve a desired look.
Compared to Pic Wish, Hotpot offers a diverse collection of filters and effects, providing more options for creative image transformations compared to Pic Wish. Fotor's versatility in creative options, such as text, stickers, and borders, sets it apart from Pic Wish, allowing for more personalized and unique photo enhancements. Topaz Photo AI AI-powered upscaling capability allows to enlarge images while preserving sharpness and detail, ideal for high-resolution displays or printing. Sky Luminar's comprehensive set of editing tools, including advanced filters and masking capabilities, gives you more flexibility and control over your edits compared to Pic Wish. And Lensa comes with AI-powered facial retouching feature which analyzes and provides precise control over skin tones and expressions, resulting in professional-looking portraits, unlike Pic Wish. After carefully evaluating the 5 alternatives to Pic Wish, we would recommend Skylum Luminar as the best choice. Skylum Luminar excels in providing a feature-rich editing experience while maintaining an intuitive interface, making it suitable for photographers of all levels. Its extensive collection of customizable sky presets further enhances creative control, enabling photographers to achieve breathtaking landscapes. Luminar's constant innovation and commitment to quality make it a preferred choice. As we conclude our exploration of the top alternatives to Picwish, we hope you discovered exciting possibilities to enhance your photo editing journey. Remember, at Alternatives Co-Channel, we're dedicated to providing you with the latest insights into the best tools in the market. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.